This video will show you how to activate your assignments link in your course navigation menu. From any of your Canvas courses, go to the settings link, normally towards the bottom of your course navigation menu. Across the top, you have 5 tabs. Click on the third one called Navigation. At the top, these are the links that are available to students and kind of activated. If you go down to the bottom for the hidden links, you'll want to find the assignments one to click on it and drag it up to the top. So once it's dragged and placed up in this top section, you just need to scroll down to click the Save button. And right away, you should be able to see that there is no longer the little icon of the eyeball with the line crossed through it, designating that the assignments link is now activated. You can confirm it by going back to your home page and clicking on Student View so that you can see your course as students see it. And you can see that when they are in your course, now the assignments link is activated.